Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Natalie from Serpwizz, and here we do reviews/tutorials of different SEO tools and coming from different SEO companies that you can utilize for your business. So what we do basically is give you insights on different SEO tools so that you can utilize them on different SEO tasks or online marketing campaign. Today is a very special day because we're going to start on a new series, and it's for a company, an SEO company called SEMRUSH. So as you can see, I'm already on their webpage, which is semrush.com, and here we have their landing page. Just a quick browse through it. Later on, we'll go through sections by sections and see what SEMRUSH has to offer. But before we go and do that, I think it's just proper to know a bit of a background about this company before we divulge into the nitty-gritty of their tools and their services and what they have to offer. So here, let me just go to their About Us page quickly. Here we go. So from here, we can see that they are claiming that SEMRUSH is the online visibility management and content marketing SaaS platform or service or software as a service platform. So going down, let's get to know a little bit about the team and what their purpose and goals are so that we understand more about the tools as we go. So here we see that SEMRUSH is the only software which enables marketing professionals to build, manage, and measure campaigns across all channels to improve their online visibility. So from here, we can say that SEMRUSH offers or SEMRUSH is like a one-stop shop for everything online marketing. So it's not just focused on SEO, but other related services as well, and later on we'll go through those. And here we see that they have 14 years of experience and around 10 million users who have tried SEMRUSH already. So that's already huge in terms of experience and expertise. So I can definitely say that when you work with SEMRUSH, that you're working with the experts and professionals in the field of online marketing and SEO. As you can see, they are trusted by the world's leading brands. And then SEMRUSH evolution right here. They started in 2008 with 2 tools and have grown to 50 tools now, and I assume still growing since this is still back in 2020. So they may have released more tools by now, and that's a great thing because they only started a small group of SEO and IT specialists. But then now, looking at how they expanded, you can see that things have worked out so well for SEMRUSH. So here are their offices, around 1,000 employees. And here's a quick view on the SEMRUSH team as well. And they're also open for investors as well as media coverages. And these are just some testimonials about their service and company as a whole. So that's it for their About Us page. I believe that SEMRUSH is actually an American public company, right? And based in Boston, Massachusetts. So let's go back to their landing page. As you can see, they have this tabs right here, which says features, pricing, resources, company, app center, extra tools. This app center is very intriguing because it just means that they already have a lot of tools, and as we saw earlier, they already have 50 tools under their bench. So that's where you can download all those tools or have information about those tools, as well as extra tools that they offer here in SEMRUSH. So here, if you want, I've tried this earlier, and upon entering a domain, let's say let's just use Serpwizz. Let's not go too far and choose other domains. Let's just go with Serpwizz. As you can see, you will be directed to another page which will tell you to sign up. So upon entering a domain, you will be asked to create your account to get started with SEMRUSH, but we're not gonna do that just yet. So we're gonna go back to the landing page and just go over the different sections that I have over here. So see what's inside. Here's a quick view of the categories of the tools they offer. So for example, this one for SEO, they have on-page SEO checker as well as site audit, where you can view all of these metrics and results that will pertain to your SEO performance. And then here you have content marketing. Alright, let me just, there you go. So create content that ranks, no expert knowledge required. So that's it for content marketing. You get to research topic and SEO writing assistant. And I believe they also have a service strictly for content marketing or creation of content. And through the course of these tutorials / review, we'll be talking about those more in detail. For now, let's just go over these categories for their tools and see SEMRUSH as a whole. Here, we have market research, so unveiling your competitors' marketing strategy and tactics. So this gives you insight about your competitors, how they're doing, what they are up to, and what content or web pages or keywords that are driving them to good ranking. Here we also have advertising. So this is more for advertisements, the research and keyword gap tool, so analyzation of Google Shopping and ad campaigns, things like that, and as well as pay-per-click campaigns. Another one would be the social media category, which is for building your most effective social media strategy. And we know these days how important the social media presence of a business is, so that's definitely one thing we can look forward to. And here we see that they have a special toolkit strictly for social media, and we'll go through that in our future videos. And lastly, we have agency solutions. So this is to streamline your agency processes for growth. So here we have like an overall result for your company, and it would be very beneficial if you have this type of reports coming in consistently, so that you can monitor, you get quality leads regularly, and you want high quality leads to be able to sustain your business, automation of client reporting, as well as white label client portals, and a CRM workflow. So that's it for the categories. Let's go down. Here's just some testimonials and statistics. So here we see the databases of SEMRUSH. They have around 22 billion keywords, 43 trillion backlinks, 808 million domain profiles, and 140 geo databases. So those are huge numbers, and definitely what we can look forward to while we go through all of these tools, and what you can also look forward to once you sign up for their plans and services, because I'm sure, or there's no question, that these resources will be used for your advantage. Then he is the CEO, assuring everyone that once you use SEMRUSH, it'll be a very useful SEO tool, not just SEO but overall online marketing. And here's just a couple more testimonials, and we see an invitation to start a free trial right here. And this is exactly what we're gonna do on our next video, so definitely stay tuned in for that. It's great that SEMRUSH offers free trial, not all SEO companies offer the same, and that's definitely a plus points for them. So that is it actually for here. It's just some footers with summary of contact details, about the company, the tools they offer, as well as some resources, and all things SEMrush. So that is it for SEMrush's landing page. We'll be back with more videos about their tools, the different pricings, as well as the extra tools. And here we'll maybe check on the App Center as well, so we get to see what they offer right there, as well as maybe show you how to download some of their stuff. And yeah, that's it for our video today. We hope you enjoy this quick navigation of the SEMrush landing page, and hopefully we see you again on the next videos. Thank you so much for watching.